So I've been wanting to try this recipe for the longest time, ever since I did that 1 minute microwave cookie, but that was more like a skillet cookie, and everybody loved it. So you're gonna need a tablespoon of butter melted, add in 1 tablespoon of dark brown sugar, half a tablespoon of white granulated sugar, followed by half a tablespoon of milk. It could be any kind of milk, a few drops of vanilla extract, and now mix it all together until it's very smooth, no lumps. And now I'd like to address the elephant in the room, why I'm doing voiceovers nearly after 4 years of not doing that. So any hate or anything like that doesn't get to me anymore, but at that time I was like 17, 16, filming these videos and getting hate from grown adults, and I wasn't used to that, so it really got to me. So that was also partially the reason why I stopped doing that. But anyways, add in 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 1/8 teaspoon of baking soda, and a pinch of salt. So now you're going to want to keep mixing until you form a dough, and then you could add in chocolate chips or chocolate chunks like I did. So I've made my fair share of chocolate chip cookies, mostly in the oven, but it works the same way kind of for the microwave version too. Chocolate chunks melt and chocolate chips don't really melt. So if you're okay with it not melting, go for chocolate chips. Doesn't matter, but I like the really melted center and like melted pieces of chocolate, so I have just like stuck to chocolate chunks ever since. If you watch my chocolate chip videos, you definitely noticed I never used chocolate chunks, but now that I did, it's like life-changing. Then take any microwave safe plate. I use parchment paper totally for it to look good in Instagram pictures, and then take your cookie dough, roll it in a ball, and then place it on the parchment paper. Now flatten it just a little bit with spatula. Also, I forgot I added extra chocolate chunks on the top, but that's totally optional. Now microwave it on the highest level possible for 35 to 45 seconds. Please do not go beyond that. Now I know different microwaves are different. For me it took 43 seconds to be exact, but just like be careful if you're going above 45 seconds. Just keep an eye on it because it'll get harder really fast. Then I sprinkled some salt on top and it's ready. But I would advise waiting like a couple minutes, although I just like dived right in, which is why I used a fork because it was too soft. Also, let me know if you guys would prefer more voiceover videos moving forward. So let me know, and thank you for watching.